Guys, good morning. Happy Independence Day weekend, everybody out there. A stalled frontal boundary is just to our south this morning, and a little disturbance is rotating along that boundary, responsible for the cloud cover and some scattered showers across central Indiana. But all in all, we're really looking at a beautiful weekend upcoming. Just gorgeous conditions, Saturday, Sunday, really even into Monday. Pleasant temperatures and humidity levels and increasing sunshine as well. So as we look at the latest forecast radar for the next few hours, you're going to notice the chance of some scattered showers across central Indiana, southern Indiana, again in association with that disturbance rotating east along the stalled frontal boundary. But as we go into tonight, drier conditions build in and really set the stage for what will be a beautiful weekend across the area. So we look at the latest GFS forecast model. Again, the disturbance heads east, and then high pressure builds in and supplies just 3 solid days of really nice weather, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then as we go into early next week, we're going to note this approaching cold front. And forecast models handle this system a bit differently as we look at the various solutions. Some move the front through and relative ease, and then some other models hang it up and result in a much more prolonged rain and storm situation next week. We'll take a look at the Canadian forecast precipitation totals here in a bit and show you that. But the GFS brings us through in the Tuesday, Wednesday time period. We get back to a bit of some, a little bit drier air, and then another cold front will approach late next week, again with the chance of showers and thunderstorms. As we look at the latest Canadian, though, it's more in the line of trying to, more of the side, I should say, of stalling things out across the area, and really, resulting in a significant rain event during the middle to latter part of next week. We'll keep an eye on that should this develop. Certainly not what we would be wanting to see with all of the recent wet weather that we've had over the past month. Speaking of that, this is a look at the past 30 days worth of rainfall accumulation across the lower 48. But really draw your attention here to the Corn Belt, the Ohio Valley region, where in some cases we've seen upwards of a foot of rain across this particular area. And it's going to be very difficult, as we've been posting, to get any sort of big-time, long-lasting heat wave with all of this moisture in the ground. It's going to get humid, that's for sure, from time to time. But all in all, we're not looking at any sort of major heat across our particular part of the country for the foreseeable future. So at least that's a good thing when we talk about saving on cooling costs and things of that nature. Did want to just show you this really fast. Again, the latest GFS ensemble, really just mid-80s, and this is through the 18th of July. Yeah, we do get humid at times, at overnight lows sometimes, not even making it into the 60s. That can be expected when you've got all that moisture in the ground. But all in all, when you're factoring in that we're going into the middle and latter part of July, mid-80s, obviously, right around where we should be for this time of year. Closing things out, guys, really fast, we'll take a look at your latest 7-day forecast from IndyWX.com. And again, it's going to highlight, as we load this up, it's going to highlight the very pleasant weather conditions Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Lots of sunshine, very pleasant temperatures and humidity levels, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms, some of which may include locally heavy rain as we go into the early to middle part of next week. Guys, have a wonderful holiday weekend. Thank you, as always, for logging on to IndyWX.com. We'll talk with you soon.